Ew, gross, get off me.
Uptown Swing.
My name is Jeremy.
And I'm Maddie.
We taught level 2.
Yes, classics.
Yeah.
We started with Round the World, one of many. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1,
2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1.
We talked about how it looks 10 times better when you do it with style and not with floppy hands. Then we did the double rock step for leaders.
Yeah, that's right. It looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Followers as a little extra so that we had something to work on. We also talked about doing a little kickball change on the 1, 2 of a swing out or at the end of that double rock step. We'll just show it on a swing out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is what we did.